How to log in to Adobe Acrobat. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're trying to log into Adobe Acrobat but not sure where to start, first of all, download and open up the Adobe Acrobat app on your device. And once you're inside this sign-in page, you have several different login methods you can use. You can choose sign in with Apple, Google, Facebook, or Adobe option. I'm gonna tap on sign in with Adobe. Follow through the on-screen instructions and write down your correct credentials. Now enter your email address associated with your Adobe account. Once done, on the next page, enter your password for your Adobe account. You can also sign in to your account with a code if you don't want to type in your password. Tap on the sign in with code option and you'll receive a verification code sent to you via your email inbox. Simply enter your password or enter your code and then you'll be able to log in. And there you go. That's how you easily log in to your Adobe Acrobat account. Now you can edit, sign and manage PDFs like a pro. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.